Let's talk Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri. One fan's opinion, Canadian Grand Prix. So if you were watching the Canadian Grand Prix, you would have seen the incident, let's call it, that happened between Piastri and Norris. So the two are racing, obviously, and Norris tries to overtake Piastri down a long straight. Doesn't happen, backs out, goes through a little chicane, and then because Piastri was holding up Norris, when they got to the straight, Norris was carrying more speed than Piastri was. He was able to start to inch up on him, and Piastri, defends by pulling to the left. Now, Norris, I guess, thought that he saw a hole. Now, not all the time do you act on these things, but under the circumstances of Piastri doing so much better than Norris these days, this season, I'm pretty sure that Norris was just looking for any possible way to get by. He ended up running into the back of Piastri, destroying his front wing, his spoiler, which then gave him no downforce, which then contributed to the fact that he went into the wall, ripped off the driver's front wheel. That was the race for him. And because he had more than 90% of the race finished, he did not get penalized for hitting the car in front of him. If you look through the records for the last year, anyone that has happened to, they're penalized. 2 points on at least 2 points on their their racing license. This didn't take place. The stewards took 5 hours or thereabout to come to a conclusion. Why aren't the stewards staying consistent? Anyhow, that ended Norris's race. And, well, I think Norris is in his head. Even Nico Rosberg said earlier, would you like to talk? Because he knows how things happen. Previous world champ fighting Lewis Hamilton when Hamilton was at the peak. I would take him up on it. I mean, it doesn't hurt to listen to what he has to say. Anyhow, the stewards aren't staying consistent. Norris is fighting to get into a great position for the race, for the standings, and there were no points added to racing license. Short and sweet. One fan's opinion. Was it right or was it wrong? Down below, let me know.